How is melamine board manufacturing carried out inside a fully automated industrial factory, where engineered wood is transformed into high-value decorative boards? Melamine board manufacturing begins with engineered wood core boards such as MDF, HDF, and particle board prepared for surface lamination. Robotic handling systems automatically feed each core board into the melamine board manufacturing line with precise positioning.
Laser scanning systems continuously measure thickness and flatness of every core board used for melamine boards. Core boards that fail dimensional or flatness standards are automatically removed to protect melamine board surface quality. Approved core boards enter automated calibration sanding to create smooth and uniform surfaces for melamine board lamination. Dust extraction systems remove sanding residue to ensure clean melamine board core surfaces before pressing.
While boards move forward, decorative paper for melamine board surfaces is prepared on a dedicated impregnation line. Decorative paper passes through a controlled melamine resin bath to achieve uniform resin impregnation. Metering rollers precisely control resin content to optimize bonding strength on melamine board surfaces. The impregnated paper is dried in multi-zone ovens to reach a stable, semi-cured B-stage condition. Finished melamine impregnated paper is rewound and prepared for precise melamine board surface application. Automated cutting systems trim melamine paper to exact dimensions, matching each melamine board core.
Vision systems verify pattern alignment to ensure visual consistency across melamine board surfaces. Robotic layup stations place melamine paper accurately onto the top surface of each melamine board core. A second robotic system applies melamine paper to the bottom surface, completing the melamine board layup.
When required, balance paper is added to stabilize melamine boards during the hot pressing process.
The assembled melamine board stack is transferred directly into the short-cycle hot press.
The press closes and applies precisely controlled heat and pressure to laminate the melamine board surfaces.
Inside the press, melamine resin melts and chemically bonds to the core board surface. Embossed press plates form the final texture and finish of the melamine board surface. Press parameters are automatically adjusted to match melamine board thickness and surface specifications.
After a short pressing cycle, a fully laminated melamine board exits the press.
Hot melamine boards move immediately onto a controlled cooling conveyor. Forced air cooling stabilizes melamine board surfaces and prevents thermal deformation.
Conditioning racks allow internal stresses within melamine boards to equalize naturally.
Stabilized melamine boards proceed to automated edge trimming and sizing operations. CNC-controlled saws cut directly into the side edges of melamine boards with high precision.
Front and rear edges of the melamine boards are trimmed cleanly without surface chipping.
Smooth, accurate edges confirm correct cutting of melamine boards. Inline camera systems inspect melamine board surfaces for scratches, bubbles, or visual defects.
Automated detection software flags even minor imperfections on melamine board surfaces. Mechanical testing verifies adhesion strength and abrasion resistance of melamine boards. Approved melamine boards are stacked automatically by robotic handling systems. Automated wrapping machines protect melamine board surfaces during transport and storage.
Each melamine board pallet receives a digital label for full production traceability.
Automated guided vehicles transport finished melamine boards into the warehouse.
Smart warehouse systems manage melamine board inventory with real-time tracking.
Finished melamine boards are available in a wide range of colors, patterns, and textures.
These melamine boards are ready for use in furniture, cabinetry, and interior construction.
The entire melamine board manufacturing line operates continuously with minimal human intervention.
Centralized control systems monitor every stage of melamine board manufacturing in real time.
Automation ensures consistent quality, efficiency, and material utilization.
Energy-efficient equipment supports sustainable melamine board manufacturing. Modern melamine board manufacturing represents a key step in value-added wood processing.
From raw engineered wood to finished decorative boards, every step is precisely controlled.
Melamine boards support modern interior design across residential and commercial spaces.
This is how melamine board manufacturing is performed inside an advanced industrial factory.
Continuous automation guarantees stable output and repeatable melamine board quality. Each melamine board reflects precision engineering and surface technology.
Strict process control reduces waste and enhances production efficiency.
Digital monitoring allows rapid adjustments across the melamine board production line.
Surface consistency is maintained across every melamine board produced.
Mechanical durability ensures long-term performance of melamine boards.
Automated systems minimize human error throughout melamine board manufacturing. Integrated production lines enable high-volume, standardized melamine board output.
Quality assurance is embedded directly into the melamine board manufacturing process.
Finished melamine boards are prepared for global distribution. This manufacturing model defines modern, value-added wood production.
Melamine board manufacturing combines engineered wood with advanced surface technology. Automation transforms simple wood boards into high-performance melamine boards.
Melamine board manufacturing demonstrates how precision and technology shape modern interiors.